Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial we will be working with the access modifiers. So I guess from the name you understand what they are for. Okay, they can do like a protection and not allowing everybody to see, let's say, your class or its fields or its properties or even methods. Okay, so through the access modifiers we can change the accessibility to these elements. So now I think you are already familiar with the public access modifier, which is allow every other class to see this property or even fields or even methods. Okay, so that's for the public. Okay, now if we go and change this name to private, okay, now nobody will be able to see it outside this class, only inside this class. So if I go down to the program right here, notice that I am taking or creating an object from the student, and I have the name property, but because it's private, okay, and it's taken from the profile, I cannot access it. Only inside the profile I can work with the name property. So that's for the private. Okay, it will hide it from everybody. Now for the protected, the protected will not allow anybody to see this attribute unless, or I'm sorry, this property, unless they derive, okay, or they, let's say, inherit from the profile class. So if I come, let's say I want to go to the employee right here and I want to just a method, just a random method. Okay, now this method, notice if I call in the name property, okay, I have access to it. I can access it right here in the derived class or the class that inherit from it. But if I create a new object from the employee class, I cannot see, let me show you, I cannot see the name property because it's protected. So only those classes that inherit or take from the profile will be able to access it inside itself, but outside, like if I create an object right here, it will not work with me. So that's for the protected. Now we left with the last one. Now the internal access modifier. Now what we mean by internal? Now internal, inside the same assembly it will be only visible. Okay, so now let me just open the solution right here. Okay, now notice that this project right here, it's considered to be an assembly. Okay, so inside right here I can only see the name property. Okay, so as you notice, like we don't have an error anymore, but it's internal. So if we have a new project and we add a reference or add the assembly to the new project, it will not be visible. Okay, only inside the same project right here or inside the same assembly. So that's for the internal access modifier. So I hope you enjoy and find this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching.